What's up, guys? It's your boy Butch here at Hennessey. Chill out, buckle up. I got a surprise for you guys. Besides my guests, I got Juca here, and I got, of course, Senor Gino que? You heard him. You heard him. We're here at Hennessey. We're about to race some cars, I guess. So we'll see. We'll check this out. Chill out, buckle up. Welcome to Girl Duty. So we are here at Hennessey, inside, very private tour. Check out the Venom M5. Dude, it's pretty sick. Dude, that is pretty sick. I want you to check out another vehicle that I'm in love with. You think we can all fit in the Turbo S? Yellow, my favorite. Yeah. Check out the Raptor, Hennessey Raptor. $350,000.
Yeah.
How many have you guys sold so far?
I think it's 15 or 16.
100.
No, just
Oh,
15 or 16.
Very
yeah.
exclusive.
Yeah.
Super exclusive. Super
It's pretty low.
So it's all six wheel
It is
drive.
a true 6-wheel drive, yeah. So all 6 wheels have power.
Gorgeous. So we're about to race this mammoth. It's 900 horsepower. We're gonna go one-on-one against the Urus. I feel bad for my Urus. I know it's doing the downpipes and all that, but I don't think I can beat this thing. But you know, it's worth a try, right? You guys want to see? Shall we? Dude, it's 900 horses. I don't think I can compete with that thing. Ah, fine. You ready for it?
I'm always ready for a good time, Butch.
Gotcha. I need more people to be in my car, so that way we can have a little grip on the wheels. I'm excited. And I'm so glad I came over. Yeah.
I am glad too.
Take a little break from work and just come over here and explore such an amazing place, amazing people, with good people, with great experiences, you know? I'm so ready. All right, now we're in the Urus. Let's change some settings. Put on Corsa. Stiffen the steering wheel just a little bit. Suspension. I am so ready. I am so ready. You're going down!
Hey, go get it, man.
The beast himself. Let him take it for a ride and then, yeah.
And when they finish, they come back.
Cool. And let me turn it off. Cool. Can't wait. Let's check this. Check out the Porsche too. Are you excited?
I'm always excited.
I'm scared. I'm gonna go down.
You'll never be scared.
900 versus it's a little baby Lamborghini, man.
I thought it's a Lamborghini versus a truck.
Yeah, you're right. Well, sometimes like weight compensates.
Yep.
And let's see.
This is what we're going up here to find out.
Is that you guys' first time actually like doing a Urus here, or you guys did the Urus before?
And we put it to about 750.
750.
With the tune, it just sounds great.
Mine. I think mine is stage 2, but let's see how far can it go. You excited?
Imagine if not.
Parece
Alright.
60 años.
¿De 60 años? ¿Qué vergas tienes?
Ah, dale, güey.
guys. Good luck. How was the ride?
Wow, he was blown away.
So this is a 2020 brand new Porsche
21,
911
yeah.
Turbo S.
992.
650 horses.
Wow. Yeah.
How was it?
Sí está bestia.
How was it?
Bestia. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. Honestly.
So compared to the McLaren that you drove,
It's hard to say because I was in the driver's seat in the McLaren and this on the passenger seat.
Correct.
Changes shit up.
well, 750 horsepower
it feels-
McLaren, of course. Are you guys ready?
Okay. Yeah, okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
Okay, let's check out.
So there's a walkie-talkie in the cup holder. We'll just go 2 and 2. However we want to switch it up. Just follow me. I'll take you to the back of the track. We'll kind of stage it up. I'll do a warm-up lap, and we'll stage it up. We'll walkie-talkie, and then we'll just go from a dig, from a dead stop, once or twice, and have some funny banter.
I'm ready.
Easy.
You want to ride with me or you want to ride with?
I want to take the clips from the outside too.
Yeah.
The camera?
Well, we're gonna line up first, and then
we-
and then you can come with us.
And we have cameras too, so we can send you. And yeah, we got. Yeah.
Like a bit of
We've done it
this
before.
camera pointing towards.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right. Here's the walkie-talkie. And are you ready? Are you gonna be my assistant?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's put it on Corsa. Get ready. You sure they want to race me? I mean, I'm not sure myself.
He's excited. He's excited.
You're gonna smoke me, I promise you.
No.
Dude, this is only doing about like maybe 750 at its max. I mean,
Oh, but that's heavy.
well, he weighs about 300 pounds, so we compensate.
Okay. You have like the electronic cutouts? Oh, okay. But it sounds loud. Like there's no cats.
There's no cats.
Oh my god.
Yeah. The power?
Close windows.
Yeah, let's close windows. So that we're aerodynamic.
Okay.
Do we blow?
Close windows, right?
Okay, Sam, go ahead and go over your motion.
Go over my motions.
Welcome to another great video. We're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. We're here with some other friends in a modified Lamborghini Urus. And we're gonna race it against our brand new Mammoth 900 TRX. This 900 horsepower full-size pickup truck can really give that Urus a run for its money.
Full size pickup truck. He's not kidding. Like this is a full plus extra triple X size truck. Like this is a big ass truck right now.
Let's do it. Let's have some fun. Let's see what happens.
Sam, go ahead and go over your motion. All right, I'll bring my hands up, and I'll hold them here for a moment while you build boost. And then the moment that I bring them down is the signal. So, ready, set, go.
Oh wait, no. This is just a test run.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead and radio when you're ready. And Sam, here we go.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're not in reverse.
Tell him you're ready.
You're not in reverse.
No, I'm not in reverse.
We're ready.
I am impressed with how close that was. What?
This would have beat it. If that thing was stock, we would have won.
What? The launch, wow. And let's not forget, It's got like muddy tires too.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on off-road 35-inch tires facing against a modified Urus. This is the 900. We have 1,000 coming. The Mammoth 1000 is on its way. It's almost done with R&D. Dude, we would destroy that thing.
Mammoth 1000. You guys are insane and I love it.
Oh shit, for tooth.
You got a really good launch.
A really good launch.
Yeah.
Now the muddy tires played against us big time.
Yeah.
They had some like.
As you guys saw, we did it. We did a good job. Thank God. Everybody's safe. Amazing. How was it? It was cool. I was really afraid that I might lose. I swear to God. But you guys did good. At first, it was on manual, so I missed a couple gears. And he's like, put it on automatic, dude. So I put it on automatic, and that thing just flew.
Honestly, if that was stock, I think this might win.
Pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Gorgeous. I'm gonna check it out. Let me park it. You know how to drive it or no? Yeah. You heard him. He said, yeah. So cool. All right, behave. This is awesome. Look at the interior.
And then
Amazing.
our package, the 900 is like 25, but we also have
Carbon fiber,
Not bad at
suede,
No.
the rich
And then we
stitching.
have some
That is
off-road
cool.
upgrades like bumpers, lights, but
Okay.
some people might not want them. But
Look at this.
yeah,
This is gorgeous.
So for 130, let's say,
Yeah.
it's got this thing.
yeah, yeah,
It's beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
yeah.
It moves fast.
I mean, it's a huge truck.
This is
It's
fucking
great.
cool.
Yeah.
It's faster than my Raptor, that's for sure. This one will smoke my Raptor big time.
Yeah, look, the best 0 to 60 we got is 3.5.
Hell yeah, dude, that's fucking fast though.
That's crazy.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, this truck is a very, very heavy truck. Like,
Yeah.
I bet you this motor is like super strong to push all that weight.
Yeah.
As far
With
as
off-road tires.
yeah, it's pretty badass. Pretty dope. We can bring some cars later. And,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
we
that'd
can
be
do some
legit.
stuff. Hell yeah.
So
Great
John-
experience, by the way. Thank you
Yeah.
for the hospitality.
Of
Thank you
course,
for
man.
everything. Beautiful facility.
It's good
Yes.
to
Yours
see y'all.
amazing people.
Yeah,
Love it.
it's good to
Love
see
it. Love
y'all.
it. Love it. Thank you guys so much.
Primera banda ese perro.
Thank you to
bro.
Hennessey
Yeah.
for allowing
Good to
us
see you guys.
to have this such an amazing experience.
And
badass.
John has his new 765, so
That's cool.
we gotta bring something out fast when we'll race.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll
Bring
bring.
my BMW.
Maybe I can bring the SVJ and bring the
Dude, we'll
the
make some
McLaren.
killer content. That'd be
Hell yeah.
awesome.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm down.
How
I'm
long
down.
are you here for?
Tomorrow.
But
I'll be
you're
back.
in-
I'll be
you're
back. I'll
in
be
it
back.
now.
Let's plan something. A couple of days.
Yeah.
A lot of
awesome.
content. Like yeah, Drag Series races like
Gorgeous. This is sick.
And the winner. Who's the winner?
I am the winner, not the winner.
Yeah, he's the winner.
That was so cool. Awesome. It was a good race. It was a good race. Love it. Pretty cool, pretty amazing, badass experience, amazing fucking day, great people. Love you guys, Hennessey. You guys are amazing. Thanks to everybody here that made this happen. This is awesome. Gino, thank you. It was amazing. Thank you for making it happen. You're the man. So, what's next? Hungry? Where are we going?
I have a meeting.
You have a meeting? He's a busy guy. Next thing, we're just gonna go eat and then head back to the shop and then get the grind going and go work. I'm gonna take Juca with us so that way he can help me a few things.